I'm cooking Piri Piri Chicken on the barbecue today. If you like Nando's, you will love this because it's the real deal. Now at the moment there's just olive oil, salt and pepper on there, and I've opened it up and spatchcocked it so it cooks pretty quickly. All you have to do is put the chicken breast side down on a chopping board. Use a heavy duty pair of kitchen scissors to cut down each side of the backbone and take it out. Turn the bird breast side up and press really firmly down in the middle to open the whole thing out flat. Then use a really sharp knife to slash through the meat on both the breast and the legs. So I've got that cooking over a fairly low heat, skin side up, and I'm just going to turn it around a few times to make sure it cooks evenly, because all barbecues have kind of hotter bits and cooler bits. And I'm going to keep the lid down as much as possible, and that gives me time to make my piri piri sauce. I took a handful of chilies, some hot and some cooler. You can take the seeds out if you want to reduce the heat, and threw them into a food processor. I chucked some garlic in there too, some bay leaves, some parsley, plenty of olive oil, some lemon juice, a little bit of smoked paprika and some salt and pepper. And you just blitz the whole lot to a smooth sauce. So the chicken's had about 45 minutes now. Before I put the sauce on, I'm going to turn it so it's skin side down, so it has a nice chance to crisp up for about 20 minutes. And I've got a plancha here that I'm going to put onto the barbecue. You could use a frying pan, but no plastic handles obviously. And I'm going to put that there to get hot, ready for some sweet potatoes. I've given them a good rinse so I can keep the skins on, and chopped them into nice big wedges. Tipped them into a bowl, added some olive oil, dried oregano, salt and pepper, and gave them a good mix round to coat each bit of potato. So once the plancha's really hot, I'm just going to tip the sweet potatoes on in a single layer, and they're going to take about 25 minutes to get lovely and crispy on the outside. So now the chicken is cooked through, I'm going to start basting it with that lovely piri piri sauce. So I'm going to brush it and turn it and brush it and turn it for about 15 or 20 minutes until it's really golden and crispy and lovely. So now that's all cooked, all you have to do is chop up the chicken using a really sharp knife, and then I'm going to pile it onto a plate with the sweet potato wedges. And there it is, authentic piri piri chicken on the barbecue.